Hi everyone, today I'll show you how to make bookmarks using Flexa design and Power BI buttons. Flexa buttons look really nice. They add smooth effects and make your report feel more alive. Here I've got a simple report with one chart, one table, and a short note so it's easy to follow. Our goal is to create two buttons. When you click the first one, it shows the chart, and when you click the second, it shows the table. Got it? First, let's create two buttons with Flexa design. Click this icon to create a visual. When using buttons for bookmarks, remember to make a new table so it won't affect your main data. Just click this line, open the semantic model, switch to editing, create a new table, and paste the DAX code. If you're using Power BI desktop, just click the table icon on the left, choose New Table, and paste the DAX code there. Now we have a new table. Let's select the field and choose Button Group. Nice. We've got a simple button template with a background. I'll customize it a bit. First, I'll pick a style. Next, I'll click Set Theme to change the color. Then I'll rename the button and add another one, Button Menu 2. I'll also change the icon for this button. The button looks a bit small, so I'll scale it up a little. Now I'll turn off the background to make it transparent. And that's it. Step 2, customizing the button, is done. Now let's move to Step 3, creating two Power BI buttons. Click to create a blank button. Step 4, open the selection and bookmark panels. Now we're ready to create our bookmarks. I'll rename them as Bookmark Menu 1 and Bookmark Menu 2. Simple and easy to remember. Next, for Bookmark Menu 1, I'll make this button a bit darker. Then I'll hide the table and keep only the chart visible. After that, click Update Bookmark Menu 1. Now for Bookmark Menu 2, I'll make Button Menu 2 darker, show the table, and hide the chart. Next, update Bookmark Menu 2. Step 5, assign bookmarks to the Power BI buttons. Now select the button, click Action, and assign the right bookmark. Do the same for the other button. Step 6, let's test if the buttons work correctly. If something doesn't look right, just update the bookmark. Step 7, overlay the Power BI buttons on top of the Flexa design buttons. Step 8, remove the borders of the Power BI buttons. And that's it. Done. Hope you can do it too.